Hi, my name is Desi Bartlett. I'm here with my son. What's your name?
Rocket.
Rocket. How old are you?
6. I turn 7 next month.
And so it's important for people of every age to have a practice that allows us to find a deep sense of center and calm. So whether it's the holidays or just, stress of everyday life, taking a moment to close our eyes and breathe can help us to ground our energy. So Rocket, I'm going to ask you to sit up nice and tall. You can cross your legs if you want, or however you want to keep them is great. And put one hand on your heart and one hand on your tummy. And then close your eyes. And I'll close my eyes also. And we're just going to breathe nice and slow. And as you're breathing, Rocket, I want you to feel the breath moving from your tummy to your chest. And gently back down. So as you inhale, you'll feel your tummy and your chest inflate like a balloon. And as you exhale, you feel all of that air releasing. And just one more time like that. Great big inhale, fill your belly, fill your chest. Slow exhale. Good. And now keeping your eyes closed in your mind's eye, so in your imagination, I want you to start to remember the happiest you've ever been in your whole entire life. So think about where you were in the world. If it was daytime or nighttime, if you were inside or outside, if you were with other people or on your own. And now when you see this really, really happy day in your mind, I want you to think about, where do you feel that in your body? What feels happy in your body?
My tummy.
Your tummy. So in your tummy, I want you to imagine a great big sunshine. And imagine that sunshine starting to grow and glow brighter and brighter in every direction. So every time you breathe, it's like the rays of the sun move out into your arms, your legs, your fingertips, your toes, even the top of your head. Everything's just really, really bright and warm, like beautiful sunshine. And then breathe a little bit slower and continue to feel that beautiful light inside of you. And that light is moving out in every direction. Really, really good. Okay? Now in this last moment, Rocket, I want you to bring your hands to your heart. Bow your head a little bit. And when we have our hands at the heart and we bow our head, what do we say?
Namaste.
Namaste means the light in me recognizes and bows to the beautiful light in each of you. Namaste.